Good morning, I'm Craig Aliff. I'll be doing a sample lesson for you today as your health teacher. Today, we're going to be covering the health triangle. Health triangle has three different parts to it, and it's important for your life because it keeps you in balance if you're constantly going throughout the day thinking of how you can keep yourself well. All right, we're going to talk about that for the next couple of days. And what I'll do first is I'll share my screen for the first slide that we'll be covering during this topic. All right, everybody should see on their screen now. The first slide for the health triangle. I'll be sharing these slides throughout the next week. Health triangle is all about the word that you probably heard down here. If you see my cursor, where it says wellness. Right, wellness is an overall state of well-being, and to be honest, wellness is just a fancy word for being healthy. Okay, all right. Your health triangle is right here. You see my cursor moving around it. You have the social side. You have the physical side, and you have the mental or emotional side, okay? And we'll cover all these things over the next couple of days. First one that we'll cover will be the physical side, all right? Now, each side of this triangle is equally important to the other. So if you're thinking of your health as being a triangle, which is what this is all about, then the triangle should stay at the same shape. It should be even on all sides, equal on all sides, or if you've already covered this in math, it should be an equilateral triangle, okay? And what you have to do constantly for your health is to work to keep each of these sides balanced, each of them the same, okay? And this is important for your health because if you have one, if you're doing too much physical work, for example, then you're going to be cutting down on the amount of social time that you have, all right? And I can give examples for each one of these things, all right? So what I'll do now, as I move on to the next slide, just very briefly, this is just an introduction for the health triangle. We're not going to go into it too deep, right? But I will be moving on to to the next slide so that we can get going on that. All right. There we go. Okay. Now, just like I mentioned, all three sides of the triangle need to be balanced. All right. And you'll hear this constantly. That could be something that you see on an exit ticket question one day, or maybe even a warm-up question. Feeling good about yourself, okay, has to do with being mentally stable and able to handle different things that come up throughout the day so you don't overstress yourself, things like that. All right, this is the mental side, okay? Being active and challenging yourself physically, that has to do with the physical side. Okay, and then the social side has more to do with being able to interact with people in a friendly and a decent manner. Okay, and also to be able to keep and maintain your friendships. All right, the three sides of your health triangle, they are always connected. All right, and in order to move on and to grow, you need to improve at being able to handle each one of these things. Okay. The next time you come into class, we'll probably have a warm-up question. It'll be on one of these things that we've covered today. It's really as simple as that. And the next time we come, we'll start our new slides, and those new slides will be on the physical side. And then also at the end of that next class, we'll start our the beginning part of our daily exercise. All right. I'll see you guys next time.